I'm Shfiq Qureshi. My today's topic is how to answer true, false, and not given questions in Ielts reading module. This is very important questions. At the same time, it's very important questions, and this is based upon the factual informations. You are given certain number of statements. Different kinds of statements are given to you. And you have to precisely tell whether these statements are according to the informations which are given in the text or not. So again, one thing which is really problematic is that the words or the style is not exactly the same as it's given as there is in the original text, in the actual text. Means you will come across again the paraphrasing. Means the words which are used in the statements may not be used in the original text. However, the statements would be in a chronological order. They would be given in the sequence. It means that answer to the question, the answer of the first statement would be found first, and the answer to the next statement would be found next to the previous question or previous statement. So the most important thing or activity that you have to perform here is to underline the keywords. And the keywords could be in the form of names, places, figures, or there are certain kinds of words. Once again, I tell you that this question is problematic because of the paraphrasing. Means the words or the expression which is used in the statement may not be found in the actual text. So words, synonyms are used, or different other words are used, or different other expression are used, but the answers could be found in the order or in the sequence. So you see, if these statements are based upon the factual informations, so first of all, you try to thoroughly understand the statement. You underline the keywords or the important words, and then you can find the answer to the same question. Just know whether this statement is true or false. If the statement is exactly according to the text, so this is true. But I tell you that in the text, different words would be found. You can't find the similar words. And if the statement goes contradictory or contrary or opposite to the text, then it is false. And if, for example, complete information is not given in the text about the statement, if the same information is not given or complete information is not given, so then it is not given. So you see that, for example, if I say how the aquatic animals sustain their life in the deep water of the sea, so the writer can talk about the life about the birds who inhabit in the top of the mountains. So you see that here the question is how aquatic animals sustain their life, but the similar things could be discussed about the birds. So according to the text or according to the introduction and according to the main body, our focus is about the aquatic animals, not the birds. Although the similar things are being discussed, but we have to talk about the aquatic animals. So you have to just develop the quality or capability of understanding the message, not the words. You don't have to go for the words, rather you have to go for the message. and you see that the words which are found in this statement may not be compatible to the words which you find in the text. For example, if the word sustain is used in the statement, maybe in the text you find the different words. For example, how the animals who live in the water, they may not use the word sea in the deep water, in the oceans, for example, so they maintain their life by feeding on such thing, animals or the plants. So this is how the things could be given. So it is you who have to develop the profundity in understanding the paraphrasing, understanding the message, even though the different words have been used there.